In this segment of Suffolk Headlines, we visit the Suffolk Seaboard Station Railroad Museum for a traveling exhibit. The Suffolk Seaboard Station Railroad Museum recently hosted a traveling exhibit from the Union Pacific Railroad Museum entitled "Move Over, Sir! Women Working on the Railroad." The exhibit traces the contributions that women have made to the railroad industry over the past 150 years, calling out specific women and their unique contributions to the industry.
Well, we're very happy to participate in a couple of traveling exhibits done by the Union Pacific Railroad Museum in Council Bluff, Iowa. The current one we have displayed here at the museum is titled "Move Over, Sir! Women Working on the Railroad," and it covers the history of women working on the railroad from the 1800s all the way up to present day. The next exhibit that we will have after the Move Over Sir exhibit is titled "Wheels of War," and that will be from June 25th through July 13th, and it covers the role railroads have played over the past 150 plus years dealing with wars and the railroads. Even though the museum is operating on COVID restrictions as far as attendance and capacity limits, the attendance for the exhibit has been quite well received. To find out information on this current exhibit or any future exhibits we have, people can log on to our website, suffolktrainstation.com. They can call the museum at 757-514-4135, and our hours are daily 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Thanks for watching this segment of Suffolk Headlines.